Hello, everyone. Are you looking for the best router bits for woodworking? You've come to the right place. In this video, we've compiled the top 5 router bits just for you. Stick around until the end for a special surprise. Now let's dive in. FIVEPEARS router bits. First on our list is the FIVEPEARS tungsten carbide router bit set, featuring 12 high-performance bits with 1/2 inch shanks. Made from robust C3 tungsten carbide and 45 carbon steel, these bits ensure exceptional durability and precision in your woodworking projects. This versatile set features various cutter types suitable for woodworking, edging, trimming, grooving, and veining, making it ideal for both professional carpenters and hobbyists. The bits are stored in an elegant wooden case, ensuring easy access and transport. Designed to handle a range of materials from chipboard to hardwood, these bits excel in applications such as router tables, kitchens, bathrooms, cabinets, doors, shelves, and DIY projects. BOSCH RBS 015 MBS router bits. The BOSCH RBS 015 MBS 15-piece carbide-tipped router bit set offers a versatile solution for precision woodworking. With micrograin carbide tips, these bits ensure smooth, high-quality cuts across soft and hard woods, as well as wood composites. The set includes various bit types such as chamfer, dovetail, and V-groove bits, suited for diverse applications. Engineered for durability, the bits feature an anti-friction coating that reduces residue buildup. Housed in a convenient plastic case, this set provides woodworkers with reliable performance and excellent finish quality. KOWOOD router bits. The KOWOOD router bits set features 15 pieces with 1/4 inch shanks, crafted for durability and high performance. Made from alloy blades and solid hardened steel, these bits are built to last and perform robustly. The 1/4 inch shank provides stability and reduces vibration, ensuring precise cuts. Ideal for working with wood, MDF, particle board, and plywood, the bits come housed in a sturdy wooden case for easy storage and transport. The anti-kickback design enhances safety during use, making this set suitable for both novice and experienced woodworkers. M&A router bits. The M&A router bit set, featuring 35 pieces with 1/4 inch shanks, is crafted from C3 carbide for superior wear resistance and sharpness. This comprehensive set includes a wide range of bits for different woodworking needs, such as mortising, beading, dovetail, and roundover. Compatible with major router brands including M&A, KOWOOD, BOSCH, and DeWalt. The universal 1/4 inch shank ensures broad usability. The bits come in a professional aluminum storage case, making them ideal for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts seeking high quality and precise results. CSOOM router bits. Closing out our list is the CSOOM router bit set, which offers 20 professional grade pieces, each equipped with a 1/4 inch shank. Crafted from YG6X tungsten steel alloy, these bits deliver outstanding durability and performance. These bits are designed to minimize vibration, ensuring smooth and precise cutting results across various materials, including solid wood, MDF, laminate, particle board, plywood, and acrylic. The 1/4 inch shank design enhances stability and safety during use. Ideal for wood carving, this versatile set is perfect for a range of woodworking projects. Note that these bits are specifically intended for wood and may not be suitable for non-wood materials. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect router bits for woodworking. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you in next video.